Hi there. Are you looking for a side dish to take to your next potluck? I have this delicious maple glazed carrot recipe here for you. These are rainbow carrots, but you can use just regular orange carrots if you want. Just a few ingredients and just a few minutes, and you have this delicious side dish. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make it. These are going to be vegan. You don't have to make them vegan, but I'm going to show you how to do it just in case you have a vegan friend you're trying to impress. I'm going to put, this is 1/4 cup of vegan butter. It is the Country Crock oil, olive oil one. So, but you can use whatever vegan butter you like. I have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup here, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to cook this on medium-high until the butter melts, and then we're going to add our carrots. Okay, the butter's nice and melted. I'm going to add, this is about 1 pound of rainbow carrots. You can use whatever kind of carrots you want. I chop them, they're mostly about 1/2 inch thick. I cut them on a bias just because that's fancy. And we get these all coated, and then these need to cook for about 15-20 minutes until they're cooked to your desired tenderness. So however you like them. I am going to cover them, and then we'll be back. These are crisp, tender, how most people would probably like them. I'm going to cook them a little bit longer, and also I want that sauce to cook down a little bit to more like a glaze. It's sort of kind of soupy right now. I'm going to let that cook down. It's going to thicken up and turn into a glaze, and we'll be right back. Okay, my carrots are done. You can see that sweet mapley glaze there and all the different colors of the carrots. It's funny because they all kind of taste like carrots. Okay, these are ready. Doesn't that look good? It's funny how I just ate a white carrot and it tastes just like a regular carrot. And it has that glaze on there. It's so good. Thank you for watching. You take care now. Bye-bye.